What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing something pretty awesome. I just got sent something really amazing from the awesome team at Worksharp. And if you guys are watching this channel, I know you guys love EDC. So this is the perfect video. We're gonna be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the Worksharp Precision Adjust Elite. That is a hard thing to say. Let's unbox this thing. So as you can see, this thing comes in a massive box. It's literally huge. So we're just gonna go for it. And what better tool to unbox this than the Worksharp Madrone? Shrink. By the way, if you haven't gotten a Worksharp RMX yet, they're so sharp out of the box. It makes sense, but it's still crazy. Okay, this is it. First thing first is, comes in a sick Pelican-like case. Now I had the Worksharp Precision Adjust before this, and that was like my first real introduction into proper knife sharpening, and I use that all the time. I have a lot of knives. That has definitely given me the best sharpening experience for my knives. So I'm really excited to test this out and see how good the Elite is compared to the old one. But right now we're gonna unbox this because I'm really excited. Y'all are seeing it before me. All right, dang, look at all this. So first things first, we have the instructions slash the whatever you want to call it manual, and a bunch of, yay, we have stickers. I like stickers. Okay, so a little warranty. So if you guys didn't know, every single Worksharp sharpener comes with a 3-year warranty, so that makes it really awesome in case something happens and you just need to make sure that they are protected. So keep this. All right, next we have like some pretty simple instructions. So this is kind of the quick notes guide to instructions, which is great. More information on their resin bonded diamond abrasives, which we will get into that. And of course, the user guide. Now, what I really love about Worksharp is that they make things really easy for literally anyone that is wanting to get into sharpening their knives. So if you are a newbie to all this stuff, you don't have to worry. They'll make it easy. They have everything that you need to know, and they have a really extensive YouTube channel that goes through everything you need to know. So if you are like me and you like watching videos to explain what you need to do, they have that as well. Now let's get into the actual thing. So up top we have the first part, and this is pretty much, wow. So this is all your abrasives, and this is the stuff that pretty much you need to sharpen your knives. So real quick, we'll just go through this. The chassis mounting system, clamp support, the abrasive handle, and then check out the abrasives on this. You have a 220, 320, 400, 600, 800, a honing rod, and then you have these really cool ultra fine diamond plates for getting that ultra fine shiny detailing and stuff like that. So you have a 120, 200, 300, and then a strop for, you know, sharpening your knives and stuff like that. This literally has everything you could possibly need to sharpen any knife that you have. It also has a honing compound, and then this is something that I'm really excited for, is the digital angle indicator. And then inside here we have the actual sharpener thing that we're gonna assemble, and then we'll sharpen a knife. So first things first, we're going to be taking the stand and putting it on a smooth, flat surface. Next up, we're going to be taking our metal frame and we're going to be attaching it to the stand. Today we're going to be using the ProTech Malibu, which I haven't sharpened in quite a while. And we're going to take our metal V-block clamp, untighten it, open that clamp, and place our knife in. You want to make sure that that clamp is parallel to the blade of the knife. Once that is parallel to the blade of the knife, we're going to add that to our base, and it should just slide right in until you hear a nice click. Now we're going to be taking our abrasive handle, and we're just going to screw it into its spot. For the ProTech, I'm going to be starting with a 400 grit diamond abrasive, and then moving up to a 600, then the 800. Next, we're going to be taking our digital angle indicator, and we're going to be placing it on a flat surface to zero it. All you have to do is turn it on and hit 0. Next, just place the digital angle indicator onto the abrasive handle and make sure that your angle is at the correct desired angle. I'm sharpening this knife at a 25-degree angle, and if it is not at the right angle, just adjust it with the adjustment knob. And now we're ready to sharpen. All you have to do is move the abrasive handle on the blade. You don't have to add any pressure, just let the abrasive do the work. Move from the bottom of the blade to the top, and then once you are done, you should be able to feel a burr on the opposite side of the blade. Once you feel that burr, that means that you are good to switch over. Press that red button and then flip over the knife. And then you're just gonna repeat on the opposite side. Next up, I'm gonna be using the 600 and then the 800. I'm not to be adding any pressure, I'm just gonna be letting the abrasive do its work. Next up, I'm gonna be using the ceramic honing rod. Again, it magnetizes easily, and I'm just gonna be going through letting the honing rod do its thing. Now I'm gonna be using the premium resin bonded diamond abrasives. I'm gonna start out with the 1200 grit plate. Now, because these abrasives are a little bit thicker, a key thing to do is to recheck your angle and make sure it is still at that proper desired angle. Then again, we're just gonna be going back and forth on the blade, letting the abrasive do the work. And lastly, I'm going to be using the bare leather strop. Now, before I use the strop, I'm gonna put a little bit of this green honing compound onto the strop. And the key with the strop is you just need to go in one direction. So go down, lift up, and go back down. And then all you have to do is unclamp your knife and you have a perfectly sharp ProTech Malibu. Okay, so what do I think of the Worksharp Precision Adjust Elite? Now, I'm gonna preface this by saying Worksharp did send me this for free, but they don't have any say over what I make or my review. So these are just my thoughts, my own personal opinion, but I freaking love this thing. Someone who owns over 100 pocket knives and has a huge number of knives and the companies that make them, the hard work, the artwork that goes into them, and the actual function of a knife. I carry a knife every single day. I think keeping a knife sharp is one of the most important things you can do to take care of that knife. And with a sharp knife, you can literally have that knife for years to come. So I think that this whole system is 100% worth it. Whatever knife you have, if it's a pocket knife, if it's an outdoor knife, if it's for hunting, fishing, what have you, if it's a kitchen knife, if it's a Japanese chef knife, this has you covered. You can literally sharpen any knife with this whole system, and I think that is really, really great. I think my favorite part about this is just how easy and simple it is to use. The fact that they have all the instructions there for you if you ever get confused. It's super easy to just look it up. I did that actually a couple times in this video. And you can also go onto their YouTube and check out their tutorials, stuff like that. Plus, they have amazing customer service. So, I mean, if you just really want to chat to them, go for it. But I think that everything here is a really great way to keep all your knives sharp and maintained really well. Plus, they have little things like the clamp support, which basically helps if you're using a heavier, longer knife. This basically just goes under here and it makes it so that your knife is supported so that you are safe while sharpening your knives. I mean, they really did think of everything, and I think that if you have more than 10 or 20 knives, you need to invest into this. This is something that will keep your knives safe forever. And you know how it is. You use a knife for a week and you can tell when that blade is dull. You don't want to be the guy that's known for carrying a knife and then shows up with a dull blade. It's just not a good thing to happen. So the fact that they make this, that everything comes really well packaged, which you know me, I love good packaging. And I will also say this might just be my favorite part. The digital angle indicator is freaking sick. I mean, this is just, I would buy this for this alone. So that should show you. So yeah, I think Worksharp absolutely nailed this. This is something that I'm going to be using for years to come. So if you guys are into knives, into everyday carry, into stuff like that, and you have a lot, get this, you won't regret it. Trust me, it'll keep your knives sharp, it'll keep your knives safe. It's legit. Like, people are going to come to you to sharpen their knives. I guarantee it. Like, I've had that happen before. It's a lot of work, actually. So I want to thank Worksharp for sending me this awesome kit. Those guys are really cool. Check them out. If you have not heard of them before, you need to check them out. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Worksharp and this Precision Adjust Elite system. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take it one step at a time, and I will see you all later. Peace. If anyone needs me, I will be here for the next 3 hours sharpening all my knives.